Alright, this is box break number 4, 2012-13 NBA Panini Past and Present. Here are the winners. Let's get started. First hit, Thomas Robinson for the Houston Rockets. Second hit for the Los Angeles Clippers, Blake Griffin. For the Suns, a Rise and Shine, Goran Dragic. Tony Parker for the San Antonio Spurs. For the Oklahoma City Thunder, Serge Ibaka. For the New York Knicks, Steve Novak. For the Golden State Warriors, Harrison Barnes. For the Golden State Warriors, Stephen Curry. For the Oklahoma City Thunder, Russell Westbrook. Headbands for Phoenix Suns, Michael Beasley. For the Memphis Grizzlies, Mike Conley. For the Los Angeles Lakers, Kobe Bryant, Shattered card. For the Minnesota Timberwolves, Ricky Rubio. For the Boston Celtics, Rajon Rondo. For the Houston Rockets, James Harden. First auto for the Chicago Bulls, Will Perdue. And then for the Oklahoma City Thunder, Kevin Durant. For the Phoenix Suns, Jared Dudley. And for the Oklahoma City Thunder, Kevin Martin. For the Indiana Pacers, George Hill. For the Boston Celtics, Paul Pierce. For the Philadelphia 76ers, Evan Turner. Second auto for the Dallas Mavericks, Jamal Mashburn. For the New York Knicks, J.R. Smith. For the Miami Heat, Dwayne Wade. And for the Cleveland Cavaliers, Maurice Spites. For the Sacramento Kings, Tyreek Evans. And for the Utah Jazz, Mo Williams. For the New York Knicks, Tyson Chandler. For the Sacramento Kings, Isaiah Thomas. For the Portland Trailblazers, Will Barton. For the Brooklyn Nets, Brooks Lopez. Still one auto left somewhere. For the Chicago Bulls, Derrick Rose. For the Dallas Mavericks, O.J. Mayo. For the Detroit Pistons, Dennis Rodman. For the Lakers, Meta World Peace. Alright, this is the last past and present pack, and then we got the Kobe pack. Should be an auto in this one. Oh, we actually got a redemption card. It's Panini past and present signatures, Del Curry. So that should be for the Hornets. And we'll go to that person. It would be Charlotte Hornets. I'll check, see who's on the card I'm waiting for. And I'll contact that person. And then we have Nikolai Vucevic for the Magic. And the Kobe pack. All base cards out of that pack. So that's it. I'll get these cards out to you tomorrow, and you should receive them by the end of the week. I'll have a couple more breaks for this coming week, and thanks again.